Welcome to day 2 of 5-day challenge. Create and sell your first digital product. I want to say, first of all, congratulations for making it today too. Every step you take brings you one step closer to creating the digital product that you can actually sell. Before we jump into today's lesson, let's do a quick recap of what we've accomplished yesterday in day 1. So step 1 was to choose an AI assistant. Whether you choose ChatGPT or Claude, Gemini, Copilot, or Perplexity, all of those are for free. You now have a powerful tool to help you design your digital product at no cost. Then in the next step, step 2, I gave you a prompt to enter into your AI assistant. It asks you a series of questions based on your experience as well as your skills and your knowledge that you have built over the last 10, 20, or even 30 years of your lively experience. That's the part that I want you to remember. You already have valuable knowledge. You don't have to be an expert in any particular field. You just need to share what you already know. By answering these questions that the AI assistant helped you organize all of your ideas to create content for your digital marketing product. Then it created the pages of your digital marketing product and saved each page to your computer. Now we're ready for today's lesson. Today we are on step 2, and we're going to upload those pages from your AI and go into Canva. That is where your digital product really starts to come to life. Don't worry, if you've never used Canva before, I am going to walk you through the process step by step. By the end of today's lesson, day 2, you'll have your digital product uploaded into Canva where you can make the edits, customize it, and prepare it for the next step in the challenge. Please remember, the goal isn't about perfection. The goal is about progress. Every successful digital product starts with someone taking the next step. And that's exactly what you're going to do today. And we're going to upload the pages that we created yesterday into Canva. This is where your digital product really starts coming to life. Don't worry, if you've never used Canva before, I'm going to walk you through step by step. By the end of today's lesson, you're going to have your digital product uploaded into Canva where you can make edits, customize, and prepare it for the next step of the challenge. So here I simply have Canva open. You're going to go to canva.com and open it, create a username and password, and come here to Canva. When it opens, all I'm going to put in here is called ebook because that's what we're creating. I'm going to hit here and hit search ebook. And then I'm going to come to the over here where it says templates. And I'm going to hit a template. And right here it says create a blank template. Okay. This is our template. Now, all I'm going to do is go to up here where it says upload. I'm going to click the upload button. And I've already uploaded, or didn't upload yet, I'm doing that with you. I have all the items from the mortgage, the documents that we created yesterday. And I'm going to click on them all because I've named them. So I have them in here and I'm uploading them. Just highlight them and click open and then watch them upload over here. Now, I'm going to simply click on this box so it's highlighted, and I'm going to click the first cover page and move it over here. That's it. And when you go like this, you see the little pink box that comes around here? This is what you're going to create. That's it. There you go. Page 1, and all I'm going to do is click this little lock button and lock it down. Now I'm going to go to the bottom here and click add page, and then I'm going to add in here another page, and all I'm going to do is to move it around till you see that little outline, that pink outline,
And then I'm going to add it in here. And again, enlarge it so that it fits on the page the way it's supposed to. All the page on here. All right. Add the next page. DTI. Whoop. I went too low too fast, didn't I? Now, if your book is like mine and there's still extra white pages and it's not coming into line here with the whole page, because if we add the whole page, it takes off all the words. It's very easily fixed. All we're going to do is go into this corner and you're going to see a button that says resize. That's it. And we're going to hit custom resize. And don't allow your... And we are going to do, see here, it is going to be an 8 by 10. So we're going to do the 1080 by 350. And then we're going to hit resize design. Ooh. And as you see, all the pages are going to resize for us. You're going to see this page, how it resized for us, right? And that looks good. So then we're going to lock it in. And then all we are going to do is make sure that we take it up here, and this little box is going to have the name of what we just create. So it's going to say, let the math do the mathing. And then it is completely ready. The only thing we need to do here is click on the share button right here when we're ready to share this product.
As a reminder, once you're finished day 2 today, I want you to go into the community and to make a post confirming to everybody that you have completed day 2 of the 5-day challenge. Put your link from Canva and let us see what your digital product is and how it looks, so that we can all encourage you throughout this time. Looking forward to seeing you on day 3.